Have you ever noticed how some paintings the colors work perfectly together? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how I use a Harmonious palette to create that kind of color cohesiveness in my paintings. Color can be one of the most powerful ways to bring dramatic results into your paintings if you use it effectively. Technically, a Harmonious palette is one that is basically pleasing to our eyes. Anything that we feel works together and looks like they belong together. Colors that actually sit next to each other on the color wheel are referred to as analogous colors. And often when we use those together, they're super pleasing. They're like blues with greens and orange with red. And when we combine those, and maybe with a complementary color, we can create a palette that is pretty powerful just in itself. But if we want to expand outside of just those key colors, we can build some different values in the tones by making a Harmonious palette. And one of the ways that we do that is we add white and black. We mix those two together to create gray, and then we're going to add white, gray, and black to each one of our key colors. This is a color wheel I've been using for a very long time, and I use it to get a good idea of maybe some kind of complementary colors that I might want to work with before I even start my palette. I'm feeling like I want to move into this area, into some more cool colors. One of the things I like to do is using these, like picking 3 colors and then getting a complementary color across here. So we're going to start with a titanium white, and then we're going to put black as well up here in the top. The French aquamarine, deep turquoise, the celadon green, our complementary color, which in this case is going to be my Chinese orange. Now what we want to do is we make sure that we have equal parts of cold wax next to each one of these, so it's about 50-50. So look at this Chinese orange with the white. It's just beautiful. So these are the kind of things that you can end up discovering when you're doing this kind of mixing. The reason why it's called Harmonious is that it brings harmony to your paintings with having some fluid colors that worked well together. If you like art, you like wine, you like talking about this kind of stuff, subscribe and also hit the notification bell, and I will let you know every time I put out a video. Remember to check out this other video. This one is one that can help you with how to sell more art. So remember, keep creating, and I'll see you next time.